Welcome to Inspire and Inquire, a hands-on workshop on cultivating a culture of inquiry in classrooms. In today's world, it's more important than ever to foster students' curiosity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. This workshop will explore strategies to encourage students to ask questions, explore their own interests, and conduct meaningful investigations. We'll discuss practical tips and activities that you can implement in your classroom to create a vibrant and engaging learning environment. I'd like to ask you to review this short webcast to prepare for our in-person workshop. My name is Anu Bari, and I am an ETFO member. Design thinking is the cornerstone of our workshop. This process combines our intellectual, emotional, and practical abilities to inspire innovation and encourage students to think creatively and critically. We will learn how to implement all the steps of the design thinking in ways that are engaging and relevant to student learning. Design thinking incorporates essential global competencies such as problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, and communication, which empowers our students to approach challenges with empathy, innovation, and a human-centered perspective. To inspire curiosity and inquiry, design engaging investigations that are relevant to students' lives and align with the curriculum. Use real-world examples and provide opportunities for students to make connections to the curriculum and their lived experiences. Technology can be a powerful tool for enhancing student learning. However, it's important to use it effectively. Choose appropriate digital tools and provide opportunities for students to explore and experiment with them. At the same time, balancing technology with hands-on learning. Hands-on activities enable students to develop a deeper understanding of scientific concepts and develop their problem-solving skills. Storytelling can be a powerful way to spark curiosity and engage students. We explore how to use picture books, relevant articles, and real-world stories to introduce students to global issues and connect them to their own communities. These are just a few examples. You may wish to speak to your librarian or principal about what's available in your school and board. The UN Sustainable Development Goals provide a framework for exploring global challenges. By introducing these goals, students can learn about important issues and develop a sense of global citizenship while designing solutions for their local communities. Incorporating Indigenous ways of knowing into our design thinking and inquiry practices fosters a more holistic and culturally relevant approach to education. Indigenous knowledge values community, collaboration, and respect for our natural world. Ensuring these principles are meaningfully integrated, we can create an inclusive and equitable learning environment that empowers students to think critically, creatively, and with empathy. As a key transferable skill, effective communication provides our students with opportunities to develop their learning through a variety of methods, such as writing, speaking, drawing, or creating multimedia presentations. This will develop their communication skills as they share their ideas with others. A culture of inquiry fosters lifelong learning and problem-solving skills in students. It encourages them to explore their interests, ask questions, and take risks in their learning. I look forward to your participation in the Inspire and Inquire workshop so you can bring these strategies into your classroom and inspire your students.